Hello YouTube, welcome to Code. I am Harsh Kumar and this is the part 8 of the video series JavaScript. In this live stream, we talk about math object. So let's start. First open the chat window and please quickly comment on this chat in this live stream. Is there and tell me, is there any problem with voice or video? Because previously because previously while computer got rushed crash, it is I have to interrupt my game. Can you tell can you tell me? Let me see. Okay, no problem. Move this code and let's start. What is this math object? Math object is a collection of some wait. Math object is collection of math functions and properties. We haven't studied about the math object. We haven't studied of the object general. Let me show you the first say the right math with a capital M. Small m does will not work and press dot. You can see there are the there are bunch of functions and the properties, and under this math object collection first use pi. You know the famous pi number, pi value. Math collection have this pi value inbuilt this JavaScript. Let me console log and now open with live server. Wait, you can see the pi value. Let me zoom. 3.1459. Generally we push to the say 0.14 one node. And this is the pi. There is one more useful operation which is power. Let's say you need hello. Let's say you need math dot power. We need to calculate the power of something. Let's say it's 6. 6 is the base value and E is the exponent value. You can log this whole expression, whole function or expression, what do you want to say. So log uh, math dot power 6 comma 3. And let me show you the result. It's 6 6 power 3 is 216. It's very simple, and you can use it. You can also give the double asterisk for this power function instead, like 6 double asterisk 3. Let me show you the console. You can see 216 of 216 for this last line. Console log 6 star 3. So you can use either this or that, whatever you want. And similarly, you can use square root for this in this math dot class. So math dot square root square root, let's say 36. Square root of 36 is 6. So let me show you. Log math cut copy paste. The square root of 36 is 6. Is there any problem till now? Tell me. And let me what okay. Now is some interesting functions which we use in this math object, that is floor math dot floor method. So what is this math dot floor method? For this I should comment this comment up this console log for clarity, and define a decimal value. So let decimal number is equal to 23.5654. The random value, don't worry about it, and pass this variable decimal number to this floor function, and after this console log this and so log console log cut paste, and let me check. You can see there is a whole number 23, but there is no we have no dot we have no digit or dot or decimal, because floor function trim the decimal part of the number and give the value equal to the number or one or less than the number. Similarly, we have the floor. Similarly to the floor, we have ceiling as well. Let me show you math.c. You don't need to remember these functions, because whenever you press dot, it will come to you, and you just need to know how to use it, when to use it. Just it will come. So math.ceiling. What is this ceiling method? Let's call the same decimal number value and console log the result math.ceiling, pass with the number, and let me show you. Ignore these ignore these warnings, because it's due to because of the Chrome extensions. You can see, don't worry about that. And now you can see there is a 24. It just increased the value by 1, say 23 plus 1, and trim the rest of the decimal part and give you the result. That's it. And other value, and other function is, next function is round. So what is a round? Round is a round used to round the number of number, to round the number, let's say existing number. Let's use the existing decimal number for this demo. Math math dot round decimal number. Oh, capital M. Let me show you the small m first. Math dot round with the decimal number, and console log list. And now we can get the error. Math is not defined, because math is not an object. It's acting like a variable, and we doesn't have the math variable. So for the that's why we need to use capital M, because it's a predefined object. So after this, it again gives 24. But wait, if we change the value by 1, it will go back to 23. And if the value is 5 or dot 5 or above dot 5, it will go back, it will add 1 and give the rounding figure to you. You can see 24. And most used now is the time of to use the most usable function in this math object. It's random. So let me show you what is this random function. So math dot random. Just console log this math.random function, and let me show you first what it is. And comment out the rest. Now let me show you. You can see this string of 0 point decimal number. Wait, let me decrease the zoom, and you can see this value is randomly generated. So how can we use this random value to our use? Let's say we need random number from 1 to 10. So how we use this 0 point something something random number, get the 10 digit 1 digit random number to up to 1 to 10. Let me show you. So just put the asterisk for a multiplication and multiply the whole random function to 10. And now let me check. You can see 3 point and rest is decimal. 6.9, 8.5, 3.3, 1.4, 1.9, and now what? We need to trim the decimal number. For this we we will wrap whole expression. Let me cut and use floor method and put the expression in this floor method. And now let me show you. Went wrong. Okay, it's not floor, it's math.floor. So math.floor, you can see 5, 9. Wait, here is the random value 0, but we don't want 0. We only want 1 to 10 number. So how to eliminate 0? Just increase the value. Just increase the value. Wait for a second. Just increase the value by 1. So plus 1. It's 1. So we never get 0. We only get 1 to 10. Let me show you the 10th. 10. So we get 10th value, but we are not getting 0 value. So that is the most important, that is very important function in the math object. One more interesting scenario is that if we want to predict make a dice from this random method, how can we use it? So for dice we only need 6 value, 1 to 6 number. For this we only need to edit this 10 value to 6, because we only need 6 random number to 1 to 6. and +1 for the elimination of 0. And let me show you. It's 3, 6, 4, 1, 2. There is, it will never exceed above 6, below 1. This is the best case scenario for the random method. You can use for anything, anything you like, or print random tosses, random guesses, whichever you want, whatever you want. And now we use, now I will tell you max and min function for this math object. Math dot maps. So let's say I'm hello Kelvin. So let's say we use, this value of a array, or an or so let's use this string of number, and we need to find the maximum value from this array, or an arrangement of the number. Use max function for this. Let me console log. There is, I think, math dot codes to use. But when I copy paste this string, I accidentally copy its bracket. That's why it's getting error. So by this max function, get the result 854. You can see the console, and opposite to the max, we have the main function, which we can use find the minimum value the expression. So just add it min instead of max, and let me show you. Minimum value is 3. Here it is. And now I think I think that's all for now. Is there any question? You can you can you can ask me anything. I'm here for you to help. If you want to if you want any question answered, I will really want to help you. So don't be shy. Post comment your any thought or suggestion, any question regarding regarding the regarding to the this class. Or dash. No viewers right now. Let me end this live stream for watching live stream.